guys, this is Rai and welcome to Rice Bake. So for today's video, I will be showing you how I make my keto pork sisig. Let's begin. Prepare your ingredients. Chop your garlic, onion, ginger, and green chili. This is one of my favorite dish. This is very simple and easy keto recipe that for sure you will love. I love wrapping it with lettuce or topping it with my cauliflower rice. Once you're done preparing your ingredients, let's start cooking our pork. In my grill pan, I add my pork skin, water, salt and pepper. I let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the pork becomes tender. I use non-stick pan in frying my pork. I did not add additional oil as our pork will produce oil while it's cooking. Once our pork is ready, you can now cut it into tiny pieces. You can now start sauteing your garlic, ginger, and onion. I use the pan where we fry our pork. I use the oil produced by our pork skin while frying. Once your garlic, ginger, and onion is ready, you can now add your chopped pork skin. Cook it for 10 minutes. Add Coco Aminos. This is substitute for soy sauce. And add salt and pepper to taste. Add your green chili and cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes. So your keto pork sisig is ready to eat. So that's all for today. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. And please don't forget to ring the bell button to notify you on my new upload videos. Bye-bye!